It's a certified 2022 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. E equals innovation into style. However, the formula for sporty luxury in this E-Class is anything but formulaic. The design is chiseled and confident, the cabin elegant and sporty, and the performance adds up to an unforgettable drive. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: intercooled turbo i6 engine, sport suspension, automatic transmission, hands-free liftgate, streaming audio, refrigerated box located in the glove box, dual zone climate control, external memory control, power tilting steering column, Wi-Fi hotspot, and integrated navigation system with voice activation. Get the best, get Mercedes-Benz. Someone's going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. Should be you. Test drive it today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,